Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you know, here a while back, I made a video showing the Tusk toolkit from Rocky Mountain ATV MC, which is this one right here, which has everything you need for your motorcycle. Bukus of tools, ready for changing a flat out on the trail or working on pretty much anything on your bike or your buddy's bike. But I also got something to go along with it that you need in case you have a flat. And that is the Tusk tire repair kit. So ain't gonna do you much good if you get out there and have all the tools in the world when you have a flat, but you can't fix the flat. So you need something to where you can fix a flat, and that's where this kit comes in. So I'm gonna take this in there on the bench where I can take it out of the box, show you what all is included in this. Now this tire repair kit will be good for ATVs, UTVs, motorcycles, even your vehicle. Pretty much will work on anything. And I can tell you, someday you're gonna be out riding your motorcycle and you have a flat, and you'll be thanking the Lord that you had this on your bike with you when it happened. So let's take this in there on the bench, take it out, show you what all's in the box, and hopefully I don't ever have a flat, but someday when I'm out on the trail, you'll see it in use. Okay, so here we go. This thing actually comes in a nice little bag to carry it in, which is good because if you have all this stuff and it's just thrown around, it's going to be kind of hard to keep track of. This is a nice little bag. You can carry everything in it neat, keep it all in one place, and keep it clean so it'll last a long time. But that is the bag. And as far as the tools, here is all the tools. So starting off as far as patching, now these patches will work either on a tube or on a tubeless tire. You can patch the tire, or you can patch the tube if you run in tubes. And what we have for the patches is we have some rubber cement here made for that. We also have a scratcher, so you want to scratch the surface where you're going to put the patch first. Then you're going to put some of this glue on, apply your patch, and that is what that is for. Also, the glue can be used if we plug the tire. So we have 10 plugs here, which is going to last you quite a while. And what you're going to do on the plugs is you have the reamer and the needle for putting in the plug. So we'll ream the tire first. Then we put the plug through here, put some glue on it, insert the plug. And then after you plug it, if the plug is too long sticking out, you can actually take this little razor knife that comes with the kit and cut the plugs off. That's pretty handy. And of course we have a tire gauge to check our air. This tire gauge goes from 10 psi to 50 psi. And then as far as airing the tire up after we patch it or plug it, we have the CO2 cartridges. We have 3 of them, and this is a super cool little thing here. It's actually compact, and I like that it has the hose. So basically you'll thread that on here. You will crank this in. It's going to pierce a hole in this bottle, and then when you have this on your valve stem, when you release this, it's going to put the CO2 out of here and air your tire up. And depending on the tire you have, you may need more of these depending on what size tire, be it a motorcycle or UTV, ATV. And then of course we have a valve core tool, which is made to clean out the valve stem. We can also take the valve core out in case the threads are boogered up. It has this here, you can actually clean the threads up. So there you guys go. If you're going to be out and you have a flat, my Sierra 300L is tubeless. Most of them are tube, but I also carry a tube in my bike. I have a Tusk heavy duty tube, and I carry that just in case in an emergency I need it or a buddy needs it. And I have the stuff to plug a tire for my tubeless tire. I have the stuff to patch my tire. If it's tubeless or tubed, I can patch the tube. Everything here ready to go. And this, like I said, accompanies the Tusk Adventure Toolkit really well. So if you have both of these items, this Tusk Tire Repair Kit and the Tusk Adventure Toolkit, man, you are going to be set for the big adventure. So there you go, guys. That is everything in the Tusk Tire Repair Kit. So thank you all for watching. God bless. I will post a link to this in the description where you can check this out. And if you go to this or my Rocky Mountain ATV affiliate page, there's a link below for it. You can find everything that I use on my motorcycle. Thank you all for watching. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I put out a new video. And I'll catch you all in the next adventure. Ride on.